Good evening. We are Team 7 and today we will discuss and present the case study about TTC Corporate. First of all, we will give you a summary point about the case of TTC Corporate. TTC Corporate is a medical device manufacturer based in the US with operation in more than 16 countries. TTC is also the market leader and has premium pricing in the category. However, it is facing the three challenge of competing with lower cost manufacturer. Customer is confused with TTC product line overlap and they are reported to experience inferior customer service. Therefore, to enhance its market leadership and market share, the two key missions for TTC is to first restructure its product portfolio strategy and second, launch a new product into the market. That is all about the overview point. Now we will specify and approach step by step the three challenges of TTC Corporate.
So starting with the first challenge, it is worth developing a new portfolio strategy in which clarifying the differences among three product lines is a must. So starting with the category feature, there is a clear distinction with a setting level, as you can see. So next with the product support, we swap the product support in product line B and C since we noticed the effectiveness of always on call support as it is used for customer product line A. So with a similar product life, Line B's customers are also deserved having this support. So with a clear understanding of the three product features, we moved to the second challenge of finding ways to gain back market share. So we decided to launch NewPro, and we aim to use NewPro for recruiting competitors, customers who currently use similar products as product line B. But what's so special about customers in product line B? That was our attention. So we will answer this question by gaining more insights from the financial structure of TTC.
From the product portfolios in 2011 and 2012, we can see that middle customer segment contributes mostly to category value. Product line A and B are the most profitable, while product line C shows the least potential. In terms of product line A, it had a high revenue with a high operating margin, which resulted in a high volume of sales. Regarding product line B, it had the highest revenue. However, it had a pretty low operating margin. So we concluded that it had the highest volume of sales. Regarding product line C, it had a low revenue with a high operating margin. So we concluded that it had a low volume. So to consider which product line is the most suitable for NewPro, we perform a break-even analysis. If we sell the product as $200 with the viable cost, as you can see, we have sales margins at $50, and with the fixed cost, we have break-even point is 400,000 units, which is equivalent to $80 million, which is suitable for product line B and A. So in our proposal, NewPro would be positioned in product line A, but offer at line B price. So in general, NewPro will has the leading features and product life cycle as the same with product line A. However, to be cost efficient, we just offer a sales channel and product support for NewPro as product line B because we think it's more cost efficient and product line B has the highest volume in TTC.
So why should NewPro has the feature of product line A? We think that is because cutting-edge feature of product line A will give NewPro a competitive advantage over its competitors in medium price range. So by introducing NewPro, TTC will be able to attract new customers and expand its market share in the short term. And in the long run, we believe that TTC will enhance its position as global market leader again in the medical device industry. And then TTC can convert the customer in the product line B to the customer base in product line A, because we believe that customer in product line A will has the product line A will has a higher operating margin of 35% and 25% in 2011 and 2012 respectively. However, we also noticed that the product line B has the problem with 3PL distributor and customer feedback that they cannot receive technical support when ringing to distributor. Looking back to the case, we saw the routing problem is that there are two reasons. The first reason is that TTC assigns product support to its distributor, but doesn't directly monitor them. And second reason is because customer only notify technical problem to distributor, but not TTC. So conclude from these two reasons, we can see that the problem is about the disruption in informational flow from TTC to its customer and to its distributor. And therefore, we come up with a solution to enhance transparency among these three stakeholders with the support from technology of ERP system, Internet of Things, and barcoding, which link to the technical support on the product itself, so that the customer requirement can be reached by both distributor and TTC, so that the information can be enhanced, and TTC can assign distributor a technician to fix the device for customer in time. But back to the organizational strategy for all three product lines, we believe that TTC should focus on the product availability and minimize costs. So to ensure product availability in the planning step, we believe that TTC should focus on ensuring inventory for all three products, product availability and material availability from supplier, and also to work with 3PL to achieve just-in-time delivery. But to minimize costs, the key criteria here are cost, quality, and flexibility to improve product in long term. Therefore, lean production is recommended here.
And the sales team would focus on the main targets, sales growth in a short time, and also provide product support for our customer. Remaining two channels as a sales force and distributor. Sales would concentrate in competitor customer to expand market share in medical device field. And we see that the customer are facing trouble when asking for support from the TTC distributor. Therefore, maintaining good relationship with our agent and have strict workflow so that our company can tackle this technical problem as soon as possible. And following strictly the sales cycle mentioned in the table, it could increase customer satisfaction post-sale from prospecting step to take care of their priority problem and resolving technical difficulty after buying. However, from HR perspective, training and coaching need to be given to sales team to boost productivity and deliver excellent buying experience.
So since the sales team is a bridge between TTC and customers in line A who is perceived as our high segment customers, it is essential to provide training for those employees to upgrade the required skill sets. But that's not the end of the story. The current performance management needs to be updated in the sense that goals are set clearly in a specific period and there are regular check-in meetings with sales managers or team leaders. So at the end of the period, employee performance will be assessed by customer feedback and brief reflection reports, which giving a chance for employees to actively reflect on their past performance and learn from those, which can potentially improve their performance in the future. And that's already the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.